Hi, I'm Brooklyn Hormelin, and I'm her cousin McKenna. So there's this game called Plumber Pants. It's where you have a little plumber guy, and you have these things, and you put them on his things without him knowing, and then after it gets so big, his pants will fall, and it squirts water at you, and you fill the water up right here just until it's at the top, because we searched up a video to know how much and stuff. Didn't say. So if you're doing this, there you go. So, Boo, are you ready to get in?
Yeah.
Let's get into the video. Okay. You go first. Here's our little things. It comes with multicolored ones, little things. Okay, put it on. We have a new rule where you have to hover over it whenever you're doing it. So if it does come, yeah. But I doubt it will come. Okay, I'm gonna do a red one. So the red, she put a yellow one on, and the red and the yellow are the heaviest ones. So, okay, good.
Where is it?
Oh, I think it's gonna pop. I'm just gonna do a blue one. Okay, it didn't pop, it didn't pop. It's gonna pop on you, it's gonna pop on you. Scoot up, you gotta scoot up. Put it on! Don't worry, it's just water. Oh no, it's gonna pop on me, I feel like. Okay, so that's what it does. Okay, let's take all these things off. So you gotta take them off unless you want to go again. So there's that. Do it again. Let's do it again. Hover over.
Okay.
We're just gonna do red, yellow, red, yellow. Okay, where's the other red? I know that it comes with two. Did we leave it downstairs? It's fine. It's fine, I think. I don't see it. It's fine. Just do the yellow. No, it's fine. It's not under there, obviously, because then it'd be on a slant. Okay, just put it on. Better. Okay, so this game is really fun. We've been playing it a lot, and we've been going like this just by itself. It's really fun. But you're supposed to get this little toolbox thing and put it here if you were wondering, Brooklyn, and put all the tools.
Well, it's my YouTube channel.
Yeah, good point. All in here. But yeah, okay, they're probably disgusted right now, and I just squirted water. Okay.
I go.
Yeah, go. Brooklyn, do it towards the camera. Do it towards the camera. Like, do this. Put it towards the camera. So they can see what we're doing. Oh, there's water's going everywhere. It's fine.
It looks like it's pee.
Don't say that. Hold it. Hold it. You know what? I'll just hold it with one hand. Oh, it fell off. No. Okay. Okay, go. You have to hover over it. Just do this. She's been coughing a lot lately. It squirted you. So
that was
my ear. Boo. Okay, well that just happened. Stop! The wall is so wet. Okay. Well, let's play one more time so we're not wasting all their time. It's really cool. You don't need directions once you got us. Boo, how did you put this together? I don't know. She put it together without me, so I don't know. They're probably disgusted. They don't want to see you. Ready? Don't show them. We didn't even touch it, did you? See, it's just a lot of fun just to squirt water everywhere. It does make a mess, but remember, it's just water. It dries up. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, and what do you want them to do, Boo?
poop.
This is a 7-year-old for you. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. You want them to like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed her channel and how big she's grown. Brooklyn.
Bye. Peace out.